So let's just jump right into these comb coils on short natural hair. His hair is 4C, and I'm just giving you a look of how it is looking before. And the first thing you want to do is hydrate the hair with some water, like I'm doing right here. You just want to massage it into his head. After you're doing that, you want to grab a comb to detangle the hair and making sure that it is detangled well. Now it's time to section off the hair, and I'm starting at the front of his head because he wants some of the coils to hang downward in his face. So you just want to clamp off the hair that you're not working with so you can just see the hair that you want to work with. Now you want to just grab some locking gel. It's the Jamaican kind, and I'm just placing that on his hair. I already have some leave-in condition that I had already previously put in his head. So now you want to section off the hair and start comb coiling, going in a downward motion, and you just want to start twisting the comb around. And as you twist the comb around, you just want to work your way down. So he said he's thinking about locking his hair, but I doubt it. So just stay tuned for more videos. And if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, just chill and continue to watch the video as I comb coil his hair. And if you like in this video, I also have another video where I show you how to comb coil his hair backwards as well. So check out that video. I will leave the video in the description at the end of this video. So yeah, just continue to watch. So now you just want to continue comb coiling the hair throughout his head. So this is how his hair should be looking once all the comb coils are completed. And once it's dry, this is the finished look. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.